Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple N. So in this video today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious spicy pepper soup. You are going to love it, and make sure you watch this video from the start till the end. And for those of you that always share my video, like, comment, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for doing that. Please help me to continue doing that so that we will grow. Thank you so much, and watch this video till the end. So here are the ingredients I'm going to use for the pepper soup. I have dry pepper, tomatoes, onions, which I'm going to blend later on. I have already blended crayfish. I have also Maggi cubes and salt. I have my grinded pepper soup spices. I grinded it myself. I have also my washed meat, the intestine, and I've already washed it, like really washed it thoroughly. And yes, that's the two types actually. So I'm going to also use this shaki. I'm going to add shaki to it. So I'm just going to start the process. So first of all, I'm going to put the meat in the pot. As you can see, the meat is thoroughly washed. It is very clean. I'm going to add salt and leave the rest for later on. Maggi cube. I'm also going to leave half Maggi cube. I used one Maggi cube for boiling the meat. So after that, I'm going to also add some onions, a little amount of onions for boiling the meat. I know some of you will be like, do you use onions for pepper soup? Yes, you can use onions in your pepper soup, even for boiling the meat, and also add it to the tomatoes as well. So as you can see, I added some thyme as well. After that, I'm going to stir properly and add a little amount of water. It is very important at this moment, not to add too much water. Okay, you have to be putting the water gradually. So I'm going to add also my beef stock to it and stir properly. Guys, trust me, if you use this process that I use, this method, you are going to love it. Just give it a try and try something new. Do something new, okay? Just try this method, not the regular method you always do. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So as you can see, the meat is cooking for like 10 minutes now. So now I'm going to add all my spices, like the ingredients. I've added the pepper, the pepper soup spices, crayfish, and of course my blended tomatoes and onions. So I'm going to use a little water to rinse the tomatoes off and then stir. So after stirring, I'm going to, of course, cover the pot and let it cook. You see, that's how I like my pepper soup. Like, that's how I want it to be this time. I don't want it to be like without tomatoes. I decided to add tomatoes to it. So as you can see, my pepper soup has been cooking for some time now. So I needed to add a little amount of water to it also. After adding the water, the taste was not that okay. I added the rest of the salt to the soup, to the pepper soup, and I'm going to stir and cover again. So after cooking again for some minutes, I decided to open it and taste it, and guys, the taste was just awesome. It was just how I wanted it to be. So at this point, the pepper soup is almost ready, and I'm going to just cover it again and let it cook for a few minutes. And guys, it is very important to always taste the food, okay? Like, taste the meat to see if the meat is tender, like if it is cooked, if it is soft. Just cook the meat how you want it to be, okay? So that's it, guys. That's how I made or prepared this delicious spicy pepper soup you are seeing here. Take a look at this, guys. Doesn't this look so yummy and beautiful? Of course it does. So guys, you can eat this pepper soup with a lot of things. You can eat it with starch, pounded yam, rice, yam, plantain, whichever thing you mention it. But I eat mine with correct hot starch. Okay, I didn't show it, but I really enjoyed my food. So that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also help me to share the video and like, also comment as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.